I would like to begin by saying that gratitude becomes more powerful when framed as prayer, enhancing emotional and spiritual well-being. Prayer also transforms relationships by fostering humility, communication, and unity, creating what scholars call relational spirituality. Together, gratitude as prayer and relational prayer move us from personal well-being toward deeper relational flourishing. In a nutshell, when gratitude and prayer are united, they become transformative practices that deepen personal well-being and strengthen relationships through relational spirituality. When we think about gratitude and prayer, we often see them as two separate practices, one psychological, the other spiritual. But recent research suggests that when the two are combined, their effects on well-being and relationships are profound. In a study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology, Sarah Schnitker and Kelsey Richardson, 2019, examined how gratitude journaling works differently when framed as prayer. Typically, gratitude journaling is a positive psychology tool where people write down the things they are thankful for. What Schnitker and Richardson found was that when this journaling was framed as prayer, when participants directed their gratitude toward God, it amplified both hedonic well-being, such as happiness and positive emotions, and eudaimonic well-being, such as hope and deeper gratitude. Importantly, participants who put more effort into the practice saw the greatest gains. In other words, the act of sanctifying gratitude as prayer gave it greater transformative power. This insight connects closely to another important study published in Review of Religious Research by Hatch, Marks, Baita, Lawrence, Lambert, Dolehite, and Hardy, 2016. Through interviews with Christian, Jewish, and Muslim families, they explored how prayer functions within marriages. Their findings showed that prayer was not only a source of comfort, but a catalyst for real transformation. On a personal level, individuals prayed for qualities like patience, humility, and selflessness, which helped them become better spouses. On a relational level, couples discovered that praying together opened new avenues of communication, revealed each other's unspoken struggles, and strengthened unity. Prayer even played a role in conflict resolution, creating space for calm, humility, forgiveness, and reconciliation. Together, these two studies show us how gratitude framed as prayer can enrich the individual, while prayer in relationships creates what scholars call relational spirituality, a sacred bond that connects not just two people, but also God, into the fabric of the marriage. When gratitude is directed toward God in prayer, it reshapes how we view our loved ones. And when prayer is practiced within relationships, it transforms communication, deepens unity, and builds resilience against challenges. The lesson here is simple but powerful. Gratitude and prayer, especially when woven together, can do more than improve our mood or outlook. They can transform our relationships and strengthen the bonds that hold families and communities together.